Hello, everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening um, to all of you, and happy Saturday. My name is Lisa, and I'm the face behind this business page, Lisa Digital Life. And I'm a registered nurse here in the UK. I'm a single mom of two, and I'm a proud digital business owner and a mentor in this digital business community. So right now, I have invited one of my business partner, um, an inspiring guest, all the way from New Jersey, and so if she's a busy mom, she's a physical therapist, and she has two girls, and so let's us going to meet her. So I have like 6 questions for her. So it's just a chat. Um, for us to give you an inspiration on this business. So let's just meet her.
Hello
Hi, sis.
everyone! Hi,
Hello.
Miss
Hello,
Liz.
hello sis.
Kamusta?
Eto.
Hello everyone.
Thank you so much for accepting my invitation
My
on
pleasure.
and ano pala, congratulations to your business milestones.
Yes, thank you very
Yes,
much. It's been a
yay!
while. My God bless.
Yay!
Yes, it's what do you call this? I owe it to God and to you
Yeah,
all my business partners and all who are supporting me in this business.
yeah.
And it's always a pleasure to be helping out. The first thing in mind is really helping out first. And whatever comes after helping,
Oh,
bonus yun.
yeah, yeah. How amazing this business is, no?
That's correct.
So sis, so you have two girls, no? Two girls, and you're full-time physical therapist.
Correct. That's my profession.
So can you take us back to before you started? What did your life look like as a busy physical therapist and a mom of two? And what made you even consider something like this?
Oh, very good question, Liz. So, back then when I first started, I am very stretched thin.
Mm,
So, I have two girls. They're both in athletics.
okay.
So, back then they were in swimming full time. And then I was working three jobs. Crazy.
Oh my
So,
God.
after my 9 to 5, I would go on to the next job,
Yeah.
my per diem. I would stay there maybe until 7:30 in the evening or 8 o'clock. And then when I get home, um, my kids are already so tired they don't even see me. So and it's just enough for me to to tuck them into bed, or sometimes they can't even wait for me because they're already exhausted with
Mm,
school and sports that I'm missing a lot, sobra. And then after that, hindi it's not just my 9 to 5 na 5 days a week. I also have weekend jobs. Yun yung third job ko.
mm,
Physical therapist pa rin. Pero full day yon. So total, I got three jobs altogether spread thin. And I only have one day with them. Sunday. Yun yung yung time namin with God, little time with family bonding. So back then I was really thinking, how can I spend more time with the girls?
mm.
Because the guilt as of a parent, you're torn between
Oh,
providing for them or being with them. So you have to choose, is there a way that I could be with them at the same time, provide for the family? Don't get me wrong, my husband is around, he provides too, but we enjoy our money. It's not just paycheck to paycheck and pay bills. We like to we enjoy life too.
mm,
That's why we can afford for the kids to go to their sports, and also to afford the help back home, right? That's our culture. We help. So it wasn't easy. So that's the reason why I decided to look into something different, explore more options, and that's when I found this business.
yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm sure a lot of people watching right now can
Mhm.
relate to that, no sis? Kasi it's really hard juggling too many jobs, and
Mhm.
then you have no time with your children, no?
Mhm.
Your family. So it's like the feeling that like being busy, wanting more,
Mhm.
but not knowing where you're going to start.
Mhm.
So,
Mm. It's just
mm,
difficult because you you wonder what's gonna happen if something happens to me.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah. So you're stuck with like what's gonna
You're
happen?
stuck
Like
with
yeah, them
that
thinking
part.
that. And then it happened that that's before COVID. That's when I first started. That
Mm,
Medicare in our country started cutting off
mm,
employees. Even before COVID, I was what do you call this? They were trying to cut off or lay off a lot of employees,
oo.
and they're freezing salaries, and at the same time not also freezing salaries but cutting off salaries. Is imagine that you're expecting already this amount of money to pay
Yeah.
your bills, which is consistent. It's consistent or going up, and
Mm,
then here comes your supposedly depending on the jobs that you have,
mm.
but unfortunately they're cutting off your salary. That's so much stress. So hindi mo alam kung saan mo pupulutin ng ano sa kukuha, 'di ba?
Oo. Especially, kasi nga, it's a big wake up call
Mhm.
actually sa atin, no? Nung that time, during that COVID time.
Mhm.
When was that one? 2020, no?
22, that when
22. Oh, it's really terrifying na yan lang yung parang we have only like one, yung parang yung jobs natin, it's very ano yung parang mabilis lang na mawawala ba pag
mhm,
oo.
tas madali kang palitan,
Mm, mm.
saglit lang.
So nakakatakot talaga, so that's one of the reason rin
Mhm,
na kailangan talaga natin ng plan B.
true.
Mm. So a lot of people watching right now na they feel like they're too busy nga. So they're working, taking care of their family. How did you make time in the beginning and even with your busy schedule?
Very good question. Um, I know it's already stretched thin, but
Mm,
I have to start somewhere. I have to wake up early or stay up late,
mm,
and the small pockets of time that you get maybe during lunch break
uh,
or maybe waiting at the doctor's office, those are the small pockets of time. They are like genius. Or maybe when you're doing your chores, you could multitask, just having your headphones or headset and
I
listening to your training.
yeah.
And then whenever you pick up your phone, instead of scrolling, you're supporting your team members or what do you call, providing information or helping out others with this business. That's how I did it. So eventually it has provided me like, I know it's juggling, it's crazy how we go through it, but it is very relevant that uh, when you want this very hard, you work as much, you will find a reason for you to be successful because your why is so important that takes you into that reason why you have to work harder. Napakaganda.
Mm-mm.
So if you have a reason to do it, you'll always find a reason to find time for it, kasi ganun talaga.
Oh,
Because it's burning even though you're sleeping, you're lying down, it's like, oh, what else can I do?
ah,
So yun tumayo ka na lang, let's do something about your dream. It's called action.
bold action, no? Oh, it's so powerful nga kasi nga yeah, we are all of us who are here on this business has a
Mhm,
big, massive, very important, powerful why. So that's the very reason why we
mhm,
are all still here. We are still inaano pa rin natin ito kahit na kasi one time kasi one time one of my uh, the one that I know here, because she's saying what I have been doing, until now. And she asked me why you're still there. And I'm I really that's a really yung parang gustong-gusto ko yung tanong na yan kung minsan
Yes.
pag tinatanong ako kasi my answer to them is because I love this business and I love what I'm doing and I'm
Mhm.
happy in here. So it's 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 really uh mahirap talaga yung mag-create ng ng time.
Mhm.
But I love what you said that you create some small pockets of time instead
Mhm.
of waiting for like for our free time. Kasi honestly, hindi naman most of us will never feel naman ready
Mhm.
or free when that right time comes. So wala talaga yung ganyan. It really starts with small consistent steps.
Mhm. Totoo
So
yan. Agree.
mm,
And to finish off with that story, so right now, I have provided more time with the family, being in this business for a while. So I'm down to two jobs. Now
yay.
I'm able to, witness my kids or watch my kids in their practice during their, I'm a more involved mom. So after school, ako nagda-drive sa I'm the one who's driving them to their activities.
Mm,
So, and then I witness them like achieve their what do you call this, their goals. They get awards and then they get leveled up in whatever they're working hard on, and they feel good about it. They look they feel so proud that like they look onto me and like they check if I'm really watching, and they was like say, "Mommy, are you really watching? Did you see what I did? Did you see that?" It's nice like you witness. It's iba yung nakikita versus naka-video, iba
oo,
yung feeling na nakikita mo first hand versus on the picture.
oo,
So ngayon mas involved na ako sa kanila. I see them and then I'm involved with their what do you call this, in their sports. So ay mga extracurricular activity nila. They do better in school because they're more supported by their parents. So, ito na lang yan in our business days, on the weekends, and then my full-time job in the what do you call this, in my Monday to Friday. My per diem job is Sundays, just a few hours.
oo. Ang ganda ng
Decreasing. So,
yeah.
something's happening and
Yeah.
milestones in the business are being achieved. Not all in one day.
Mm,
It's not a get rich quick scheme.
oo.
It's a lot of work, but it is what do you call this?
It is
You know you're working something. It's
oo,
good.
yeah. Yeah, it's happening.
It's happening. Mhm.
Yeah, and yung purpose ba natin, yung goal talaga, it's you're going to that direction na.
Mhm. Malapit na. It's getting there. Hindi perfect, but
Oo,
one
oo,
step at a
oo,
time.
one step at a time. At
Yeah.
saka wala namang yung parang success o yung parang maging successful ka na overnight.
Mhm. True.
We still have to although we always say yung business natin, yung parang 90% has been the heavy lifting has been
Mhm.
done for us. Tapos yung gagawin na what we are just going to do is that just the 10%. We
That's true.
still have to run it.
That's true.
Even if it's running in the background kahit na we are in at work,
Mhm.
we still have to do it the 10%.
Yes.
So,
That's the power of automation. You don't need to be on your phone all the time.
oo. Kaya nga pinili ko tong business na to sis kasi I have not much time and
Mhm.
I'm not really very good with selling.
Na.
And I really don't I'm not really a good yung parang sales talk, parang ganon.
Mm.
Kaya I have chosen this because it's very flexible.
True.
Yeah.
You can take it anywhere you are.
Yeah, and also you can just do it by just your phone.
That's true.
Mm.
Do it on your own schedule. Walang clock in, clock
Yeah.
out.
And many of our business partners nga having their having small kids, they are running this business around their family. So
Mhm.
it's really a very good business
Yes.
family. family-based business. So,
Kaya nga. Okay.
so some people think they need experience. Lahat kaya nga yun yung nag-aano sa kanila, nag-stop.
Mhm.
And then they think that a strong educational background rin, or to be they think that they need to be tech savvy.
Mhm.
What was your situation when you began, and how did and how what is that? How did you manage? How did you how did the training supported you pala?
Ay, very good. So, for real, hindi naman ako tech savvy when I first started. Hindi rin ako ganito ka-extrovert na gusto ko na-i-interview.
Ako rin.
Honestly, when I first started, I don't have any picture of myself on the phone. It's mostly my kids because my life revolves around them. Pero you know what? Because of the training and the
Oh,
support that was provided in our system, you grow a lot.
ah,
Yeah, because I don't know anything about StreamYard. I don't know anything about Canva. I don't know anything about ano pa yung Zoom. I learned about Zoom nung ano lang nung tawag dito nung COVID kasi
ah,
kailangan mong makita yung mga kamag-anak mo, Zoom
ah,
yan.
yeah.
Ang pinakaalam ko lang yung konting post sa Facebook at saka usually Messenger kasi I have to reach out to my family back in the Philippines. Pero yun lang naman ang kailangan mo if you're into looking into this business. Kung marunong ka mag-open ng cellphone or laptop, panalo ka na.
Mm,
Nagpo-post ka, aba, you're 2 steps ahead. But then you know what, with this when I first started, that's how I first started learning and getting out of my comfort zone. That's how the training worked around me. So nag-blossom na lang 'yan kasi kailangan mo eh. If you really wanna do something very parang desperate ka na maging successful to achieve your goal, to be a more what do you call this, a more present mother or a more present daughter to your elders that you want to be with them. You will really learn the things that get you out of your comfort zone.
mm,
Sa totoo lang. So
yeah.
yung selling na ganyan, I understand we don't sell, but we have the system that we are providing or sharing to other people so that we'll be able to help them achieve their goals as in their life, just like what we're doing right now. And the community, amazing community. I haven't met Lisa. I haven't met her. It's just in the community that we got to know each other.
Yeah.
But in person, hopefully, makapunta ako ng UK to all my UK friends.
Yeah.
Meron din ako mga UK friends. But sana makita ko rin kayo. Makadalaw din ako sa inyo. Meet you in person.
Yeah,
Diba?
it's really amazing, sis, no? Kasi we are connected.
Globally.
And we are now 280 point something K around
Yes.
the world, and
Yes.
that's amazing. We're growing like
Mhm.
growing like a mushroom na.
That's true.
Proof that many people na is already jumping to the
Mhm.
online world. They're already getting smarter to choose to have this kind of lifestyle, a laptop lifestyle, I would say.
Mhm.
So, and it's really so reassuring to hear ba na, especially for those who feel like yung parang sinasabing hindi ako marunong, hindi ako wala akong experience, parang ganon. It really shows na itong business na ito, we don't need to be an expert to begin. Na you just yung parang willing lang, dapat willing lang tayong maging mag-learn on new skills.
True.
Mm.
Mhm. Yeah.
So where are we now? So
Number 4.
number 4, no. So so this business is let's be real, no? Kasi itong business na to, a lot of many people, there's a lot of doubt.
Mhm.
What were your initial fears or doubts, and what made you decide to trust the process anyway?
So, good question yan sis, no? Kasi online. So, ang first na ano ko is, scam ba to? Totoo ba to?
Yeah.
Ano ba talagang pinag-usapan? Online business na
Oo.
yan. Ano ba nangyayari dyan? Ano bang, ano yan? So what happened here is, I followed, what do you call this? At saka yung doubt ko na kakayanin ko ba to? Hindi naman ako tech savvy. Busy na ako. Paano ko pa gagawin ito? Where will I get the time? So anyway, so what I did is when I signed up for it, I followed. I
Mm-mm.
did my due diligence. I reached out to the people who's been in the business. Stranger ako pero nag-reach out ako sa kanila. Tinanong ko sa kanila lahat ng question at saka yung mentor and coach ko.
Mm-mm.
Yung mentor ko, she was always there for me. And then lahat ng questions ko nasagot niya. Tapos when I got to the coach, and then with all the community,
Mm-mm.
very supportive sila kung kahit na anong time zone mo, katulad mo, 'di ba, Mama Liz,
Oo.
mag-ano ka lang dun sa Messenger or something, meron at meron sasagot. Kahit
It's always someone.
mabilis may sasagot.
Kasi it's
So,
global nga.
oo. Tapos kala ko AI, kala ko robot lahat sila, 'di ba? So,
Oo.
siyempre may tatanungin ka na, lahat ba talaga nagsa-succeed? Sasabihin nila sa'yo, not everybody succeeds in this business. Kasi some people expect na nag-business ka, yayaman ka na bukas. O kaya nag-business ka, hindi ka naman nagtatrabaho. You don't show up. Paano ka magiging successful? This is a business. So if you don't open your doors to it, you don't let anybody know about your business,
Yes.
it's not gonna prosper. So yun naman. Kaya trust the process. It doesn't happen overnight. This is a business.
Oo. Oo.
Totoo yan.
Totoo yan, sis, no?
Mm. Kamusta
Kasi nga,
ka naman nung nag-start ka?
I was very skeptical.
Mm.
Even when I've had my website already,
Mhm.
I was still very skeptical. Pero, on those yung pagiging skeptical ko na yun, time na yun,
Mhm.
I've seen the potential of the business. So
Mhm.
that's the reason why I took the leap of faith, and I
Yes.
was able to resonate one of the speaker nung yung nakita ko one of the guests doon sa webinar, and nakita ko talaga there's a lot of job quitters, and I said that time I want to be one of them. And yun, yung ano lang, yung parang ang ano ko lang noon, yung parang ano ko lang yun, yung dala-dala ko noon na ano, yung hunger for me to change my life. And kasi nga that time kasi I was in the middle of healing from what had happened to me. So
Mhm.
so it was really the right moment for me to see that business.
Mhm.
Kaya nag-jump in pa rin talaga ako. And actually this business has given me hope, and it has helped me to heal
Mhm.
along the way.
True.
And I'm really very grateful that I found this business, kasi it's not only financially that it has helped me, because
Mhm.
it has helped me to get up. So yeah, so
Yeah.
utang na loob ko talaga, it's a big thing for me, this business.
Yeah. I know of somebody na because of this business, they he was suicidal.
Mm.
Because of this business, he was nag-change yung ano niya, yung mindset niya,
Mm-mm.
and he found another purpose in life.
Yeah,
What
that's
he pursued the business.
oo.
Mhm. So, ganyan din tayo. Life-changing.
Mm-mm.
It may not be all financial,
Mm-mm.
but you need, something emotional or relation with other people, something spiritual. We have a lot of spiritual people in our community.
Oo.
So, yung support lang yung somebody to talk to, because sometimes they're just alone. Yun yung magic ng community. So, nakakatuwa. It's something that you really look forward to.
Yeah. Yeah. That's why I always say this I'm going to stay in this business forever. Kahit na sinasabi nila, bakit? Kaya nga sabi, ba't nandyan ka pa?
Mm,
Yes, I'm still here. I love doing this business.
mm,
I love this business.
mhm,
Kaya yung doubts naman talaga lahat naman tayo na anything that is new,
mhm,
nagiging talaga tayo, yung parang we have a lot of doubts talaga.
mhm. I think that yun ang pagiging tao natin,
Yung fears natin,
yung
no?
fear. Mhm,
But that time, I have to face my fears. I have to, kasi nga nakita ko talaga yung yung talagang, I have that vision, yung potential talaga, itong
mhm,
business na ito.
mhm.
Kaya at saka yung community support,
Oo,
tapos yung founders natin, di tayo pinapabayaan.
mm.
They're always with us. So, I have one time I have a special guest actually, and she was already in the business,
Mhm,
but she left and then she came back kasi she cannot find anything like this kind of business that we have.
mhm.
So
And once you're a business partner here, you can always take a break if you need it.
yeah,
And
yeah,
I did that before
yeah.
when I first started. I took probably 2 years break.
Mm-mm.
I did not post anything. I did
Yeah,
not introduce anything. I just took a break. Pero I'm watching the mastermind every week. I never miss that. Sabi ko
yeah,
ganun, oh, especially what do you call this? The personal stories at the end of the
yeah,
mastermind.
yeah,
Oh, that makes me cry all the time because
yeah.
I relate to them.
Uh-uh.
I feel their pain, and then you see them get successful in their business. Sabi ko, one day I'll be one of those. Diba? I will also try.
Kasi
I will be able to
always
inspire
inspires you.
other people.
It always inspires you.
Mhm.
Kasi those stories are very real.
Yes.
Yung pinagdaanan talaga nila
Mm,
na oo. Ako rin, every time I watch the mastermind, especially yung mga stories nila, yung mga pinagdaanan nila before
mhm.
they headed to that higher uh, level
Their
of
milestones. Yep.
their business. Dami nilang pinagdaanan, hindi naman nila kinuha yan. They didn't get that success with
Mhm.
just get rich quick
Mhm.
scheme na
Totoo
sinasabi nila.
yan.
So,
Right.
out of everything in this business, what do you personally enjoy the most? What makes you stay and keep building it?
Alam mo, helping. Totoo yan. Kasi in the community, the supportive community, it's either somebody helping me or me helping another person. The other night I was struggling to put out something out in the on my Facebook kasi hindi nga ako techie, di ba? Somebody help me.
Tayo.
Oh my gosh, help me with this. I can't find this
Anak
button. She was so patient with me. Oh my goodness. Ayan. So, yun na na-enjoy ko yung camaraderie kasi alam mo
ah,
yung we're group or accountability.
collaboration din.
Hindi lang being business partner. It's not just being a business partner. You become family.
Oo.
You become friends. Yung
Yes.
bang isang message lang, "Oy, how are you doing? I didn't see you post this week. Are you okay?" And somebody is, "Oh, good thing you checked on me because I'm not feeling good. I wanna quit." Sasabihin nila, "No, don't quit. You're on." Sabi ko, kaya mo to. And then, makikita mo lang babalik. But it's okay. Sasabihin na lang nila na, I need a little break. I need to take care of this. I'm okay. So, good thing you're checking. Yung may naging kayo, friends and then
Yeah.
family.
Yeah.
So, if they needed somebody or I need somebody to talk to out of my family, of course, meron at meron kang matatawagan. Yun ang na-enjoy ko. Tsaka yung helping others.
Yeah.
Yung supporting others. Kahit na you're not financially related, yun ang na-enjoy ko kasi it gives happiness in my heart. Totoo yan.
Oo.
Something that
Naniniwala
the money
naniniwala
that cannot provide.
Mm-mm.
the happiness that you get.
Oo. Naniniwala, I'm a big believer of that one also, sis.
Mhm.
When you help others, it's like parang that's already that's already your gift to yourself,
Mhm.
kasi it I don't know if pero yung feeling ba na you've got that different kind of happiness
Mhm. True.
when you help others.
Something money cannot replace.
No, yeah,
That's
it's
why maybe others would not,
mm,
wala ka pang wala ka pa ng financial achievement. No, there's something there. You're learning, you're growing.
mm,
Nothing out of the money.
mm,
So kung meron ka mang yung money, inconsiderate mo is, primarily is to help others. The money will follow. As I always say, the money will follow. Just try to help. Kaya
yeah,
natin yan.
yeah.
Mhm.
So oo nga, kasi nga, and that makes our journey so meaningful.
Mhm.
So yeah, that's how everything goes, isn't it?
Mhm.
Oh. So I think that's all now, sis. So ang first step naman nila, if they are interested with this business, is to
Uh-huh.
watch the webinar, and our website, guys, is in the screen. So feel free to register to one of our websites. It's the same content,
Mhm.
and or just reach out to us, or just put your comment below, and we can
Mhm.
uh, answer your questions. So yeah, sis, that's all for me, and thank you so much sa time.
Oh, you're welcome. My
You're
pleasure.
busy with your two girls. Thank you sa
Yes.
inspiration, and do you have something to tell to our viewers?
Oh, yes, very good. Thank
Last
you for
message.
having me nga naman,
Uh,
So if you've been sitting there for a while, this is your sign. So you just start by watching the complimentary webinar and see if it's the right fit for you. So there's no pressure. So whatever you find there is free, and reach out to us if you have any questions, being your mentor and your coaches in the future. Okay, see you guys in the inside. Thank you so much, Liz, for having
Thank
me
you so
here.
much, sis. Yeah, thank you. I'll see you again later on.
See you later.
Well,
Back to back
yeah,
to.
thank you so much, everyone, and thank you for being with us today. And I'll see you all again soon with my next um, guest next time.
Okay,
Bye,
thank
everyone.
you.
Thanks, sis. See you later.
Bye.
Bye.